Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss SLST 2016 chemistry questions paper 11-12 level, that is PG level. Let's start the video. The first question came, that is slope of the plot Kp versus 1 by T will be. Kp versus 1 by T प्लॉट का स्लॉप क्या है? ऑप्शन ए ऑलवेज नेगेटिव, ऑप्शन बी ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव, ऑप्शन सी पॉजिटिव और एक्सोथर्मिक, ऑप्शन डी नेगेटिव और एक्सो रिएक्शन। नेगेटिव फॉर एक्सो रिएक्शन, पॉजिटिव फॉर एक्सो रिएक्शन, नेगेटिव फॉर एक्सो रिएक्शन। অর্থাৎ যেটা কোশ্চেনটা বাংলায় দেওয়া ছিল যে কেপি ভার্সেস টি এর যদি আমরা একটা প্লট অঙ্কন করি সেক্ষেত্রে তার স্লপটা কি হবে, ঠিক আছে? লেটস চেক দ্য অ্যান্সার। we know that del g 0 সমান মাইনাস RT ln kp, again del g 0 is equal to del h 0 minus t del s 0. From this equation del h 0 minus t del s 0 is equal to minus RT ln kp. Now divided by RT del h by RT minus del S0 by R is equal to minus ln kp. অতএব minus ln kp is equal to del S0 by R minus del H0 by RT. From these equations, if we plot ln kp versus 1 by t, then intercept will be del S0 by R and slope will be del H0 by R. So ln kp by 1 by t, then plot is given here. The slope is equal to del H by R, intercept is equal to del H0 by R. We know that for exothermic reaction del H0 is equal to negative, so slope will be for exothermic reaction is negative del H0 by R is equal to del H0 by R, that is positive. So for exothermic reaction, so slope of ln kp versus t always positive for exothermic reaction. So option C will be the right answer. Okay, now the next question is arrangement of the following electrolysis in increasing order of lambda 0 is equivalent conductance সে অর্ডারটা দিতে বলেছে এখানে, ঠিক আছে? তো এখানে যে অপশন দেওয়া আছে KCl is equal to NaOH greater than less than HCl, option B HCl greater than KCl greater than NaOH, option C KCl less than NaOH less than HCl, option D KCl less than NaOH is equal to HCl. Okay, now let's check the answer. we know that the equivalent conductance lambda 0 equivalent is equal to কি lambda 0 molar conductance by Z. Z is equal to valency of cation and anion. Okay, so molar conductance increases, equivalent conductance also increases. The molar conductance of, now in this case the molar conductance of KCl is equal to K plus lambda 0 K plus lambda 0 Cl minus. Molar conductance of NaOH is equal to lambda 0 Na plus lambda 0 OH minus. Okay, molar conductance of HCl, molar conductance of HCl HCl is equal to lambda 0 conductance of H plus conductance of Cl minus. Okay, now we know that conductance of H plus is equal to 349.8 mole semi inverse mole inverse. Lambda 0 of Cl minus is equal to 7.64. Lambda 0 of OH minus is equal to 198.2. Again lambda 0 of Na plus is equal to 50.1. Lambda 0 of K plus is equal to 76.4. Now putting this value in equation 1, 2 and 3, then get the option C is be the right. Option C will be the right. Okay, so molar conductance or equivalent conductance or molar conductance of HCl is greater than NaOH greater than KCl. Here we can see that the conductance, molar conductance of H plus is very high, 350. Then others are very normal. So option C will be the right answer. Okay. The next question from inorganic chemistry. The ground state stamp symbol of vanadium 3 plus ion. vanadium 3 plus আয়নের ground state stamp symbolটা কি হবে? ঠিক আছে, তো let's check the answer. We know that vanadium 23 electron number, so electron বিন্যাসটা হবে argon 3d 3,4s2. If 3 electron is released, then vanadium 3 plus shows argon 3d2. So d orbital is contain 2 electron. Here d orbital contain 2 electron. Plus 2 plus 1 0 minus 1 minus 2. So 2 electron is 1 and 2. Okay, now here L is equal to plus 2 plus 1 is equal to plus 3. L is equal to plus 3. We know that L is equal to 0 1 2 3 4 dot dot indicate s orbital, p orbital, d orbital, f orbital. Okay, now in this case, now the value of s here 2 electron So s is equal to plus half is equal to 1. The value of s is equal to 1. অর্থাৎ 2s plus 1 is equal to 2 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. So 2s plus 1 is equal to 3. Spin multiplicity is equal to 3. The j value is, here it is less than half fill, so j value is L minus S. L is 3 minus S is 1 is equal to 2. So term symbol will be here F spin multiplicity 2s plus 1 j is equal to pin multiplicity are 3, pin multiplicity are 3, F j value is 2. So here it is 3f2. So option A will be the right answer. Okay, note down the topic, and the next video we will discuss again some questions which came in SLST 2016 PG. Thank you for watching.